I will explain time of flight. So what is called time of flight? Here projectile starting from this point O. Time taken for this projectile from starting point O to that point A. This is the maximum height of the projectile. Time taken by the projectile from starting point to maximum height is called time of ascent. So I will take time of ascent symbol as TA. Again, projectile reached the ground from maximum height. So time taken by the projectile from this point A to point B is called time of descent. So represented by one symbol TT, time of descent. Time of descent means time taken by the projectile from maximum height to ground. This total time, time of ascent plus time of descent, is called time of flight. So time of flight is equal to time of ascent plus time of descent. Time of flight. Let us consider symbol time of flight is capital T, time of ascent TA plus time of descent T. Now I will derive equation for time of flight. So there are two ways. First way, first I will calculate time of ascent value, then time of descent. The total is time of flight. Time of ascent. This is the first way to find the equation for time of flight. Time of ascent symbol is T. So already I told time of ascent is time taken for the projectile from starting point to maximum height. To derive this equation, we should consider this part only this part. In this part, starting point is Uy, starting point. Here final point Vy, here there is no velocity. Vy equal to 0. Uy is u sin theta. Consider the motion along y-axis only. To reach highest point, we should consider y-axis only. Here values uy, vy, acceleration ay minus z. So we know that time is ta. One equation, first equation of kinematics, v is equal to u plus at. V, final velocity 0. Here velocity, initial velocity at O point, initial velocity, initially u sin theta. The acceleration, here upward acceleration minus z. T, time of ascent, Ta. 0 is equal to u sin theta plus into minus g into t. Then Ta is equal to minus gta, bring this side, gta is equal to u sin theta. Now time of ascent Ta equal, Ta is equal to g goes to denominator u sin theta by g. This is Ta value. Similarly find time of descent. For time of descent, so I will find here symbol for time of descent is Td. Same equation, v is equal to u plus at. u plus at. Here, this is the starting point. Velocity at A point is starting point. Velocity at B point is final point. V final velocity, velocity at B point. At B point velocity, here u sin theta. U initial velocity. Time of descent, it starts from maximum height. So this is the initial point. Initial point velocity is 0. 0 plus a. The acceleration, when moves down, the acceleration considered downward direction is positive here, plus z. Because towards ground, acceleration is positive. T, time of descent t. U sin theta is equal to g into td. This is 0. Td is equal to u sin theta. G goes to denominator by z. So when verify TA and TD, both have same equations. Here one more point is proved. Time of ascent is equal to time of descent. But our requirement is time of flight. Time of flight, capital T is equal to time of ascent plus time of descent. Time of ascent, u sin theta by z plus time of descent, u sin theta by z, same equation. So total time of flight equation is 2u sin theta by z. T is. This is one of the way. Time of flight equation, T is equal to 2u sin theta by z. Already time of flight equation we can derive in two ways. This is one of the way. In this way, first time of ascent calculated, then time of descent calculated, then total time of ascent plus time of descent, that is time of flight. Now second way, we can derive time of flight equation in second way. So what is called time of flight? What do you understand? Time of flight means time taken by the projectile from starting point O to ending point B. In this entire time spent in air only. Displacement along y-axis is 0. So don't consider x-axis displacement. Y-axis displacement is 0 because it's spent in air along y-axis direction. When started at O point, initial velocity u sin theta. Starting point. And then time. Total time is time of flight t. The acceleration, when starting at point O, the acceleration ay is equal to minus z. So now let us consider second equation of kinematics. S is equal to ut plus of a t square. From this equation, S is 0, u is equal to u sin theta, time is time of flight, of into acceleration is minus z into t square. U sin theta into t, positive term, plus into minus, this one is minus, 0 is equal to u sin theta into t minus g t square by 2. Now So negative term bring this side. G t square by 2 is equal to u sin theta into t. Both sides t cancel. Time of flight t is equal to u sin theta by g. So in this way also we can derive time of flight equation is 2u sin theta by g. Please send all of my physics videos to your friends, relatives, anybody, especially who are preparing for 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, 11th class and 12th class physics, and especially preparing students either Olympiad, JEE or NEET. Suppose if you are not preparing anybody in your home, send to your relatives, family, friends and other friends. Send them. Please encourage my channel, Kumar and Madhusri Vlogs. Thank you.